Here's some Hungry 40 trivia. Subscribe. What cookbook was published in 1961 by Julia Child? Is it A, The Silver Spoon, B, Cooking for Dummies, C, The Essential Cook, or D, Mastering the Art of French Cooking? The correct answer is D, Mastering the Art of French Cooking. What grain is primarily used to make sushi? Is it A, barley, B, rice, C, quinoa, or D, oats? The correct answer is B, rice. Which type of pasta resembles small rice grains? Is it A, orzo, penne, C, spaghetti, or D, fusilli? The correct answer is A, orzo. What cocktail is made with vodka and tomato juice? Is it A, Mai Tai, B, Mojito, C, Bloody Mary, or D, Martini? The correct answer is C, Bloody Mary. What vegetable is often pickled and used in sandwiches? Is it A, pepper, B, tomato, C, eggplant, or D, cucumber? The correct answer is D, cucumber. Which type of cheese is known as the main ingredient in pizza? Is it A, Gouda, B, feta, C, cheddar, or D, mozzarella? The correct answer is D, mozzarella. What cooking technique involves quick immersing food in boiling water? Is it A, frying, B, steaming, C, blanching, or D, roasting? The correct answer is C, blanching. What is the main ingredient in traditional hummus? Is it A, black beans, B, chickpeas, C, lentils, or D, peas? The correct answer is B, chickpeas. Which dish is known for its layers of pasta and cheese? Is it A, lasagna, B, ravioli, C, fettuccine, or D, spaghetti? The correct answer is A, lasagna. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.